Good morning, kitty corns. We are headed to the gym. We're a little late. It's 9:20. We should have been there, in my opinion, at 8 o'clock. Trying to make it earlier. I actually got up around 6:20 this morning, but anyway. There was a Dratini raid, so we're going to raid some Dratini. And we won. It won't show it. We won things. Kat used her Mew. Show off.
So yesterday, I got a 687 Charmander. I'm about to say Charizard. That would be cool and kind of lame at the same time. But yeah, 687 Charmander, and I'm ready to evolve it. $2289. Can't power up. Cool. And it knows overheat. That's a really good move. Yay!
Hello, we have finished at the gym. Now we are going to bridal shops and tuxedo places and venues and meeting anybody and everybody who can and handing out cards and telling them that we're new in town and doing wedding videography. We did that some yesterday, and it actually was really fruitful. It seems very old school, but you still have to meet people, and when you meet people, they talk to other people, and that's good.
We just stopped in Wedding Bells. It's beautiful. I wish that I had gone there when I was engaged to Josh and looking for a dress. But alas, did not.
And now we're headed to go get food.
A little free library. We had one at the, I guess we have one at the Adora Wealthy House in Jackson, and there are a few other places, but I don't remember. But I always get really excited when I see
We were down here on Magazine Street and we were trying to decide where to eat. Loa is new-ish. I mean, I guess it's been there for maybe 2 years. Thought about it. Passing Smash Burger. I'd like to eat the Smash Burger. Loa has become our destination.
cilantro.
It's usually safer for Kat not to know the ingredients of her food, just so you know.
What? Yeah, Josh likes sriracha.
This is an interesting combination. This is Kat's leftover tofu because she found out very quickly what I already knew because she had told me before, but she was reminded Kat doesn't like tofu. The squishiness of tofu. That is hot. Woo! We just had a good meeting at a venue, Nirvana Weddings, and now we are trying to outrun a rain cloud. Where are we?
We're by the river.
The Riverwalk, maybe?
Oh, that's up there.
Well, that's the Riverwalk Mall.
Oh, we just call this the Riverwalk.
I would call this the Riverwalk.
I think it's a Riverwalk. We're walking by the river.
We are. That's the river.
So my uncle is now a retired Marine. Yay, Uncle Jim. But he was stationed over there, so we would go across that bridge a lot. I don't like that bridge.